Hello and welcome to Learn Spanish Libre. One more time, and in today's lesson, you are going to learn the alphabet and also you will learn how to spell words. Very well, are you ready to learn? Because if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's begin. Alright, so let me explain how I'm going to do this today. So this is the letter of the alphabet and this is how it sounds. And over here at the bottom, I also added a word with a picture of that word. Now the bottom word is I'm going to try to give you the phonetic sound, okay? Not how it is said or how you say the word itself, but I mean the letter, but how it sounds, okay? So I repeat 3 times. You repeat after me every time I say it. Here we go. A, a, a. Árbol, árbol, árbol. B, 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 bebé, bebé, bebé. C, C, C. Bicicleta, bicicleta, bicicleta. D, D, D. Dados, dados, dados. Very good, very good. Making progress. Don't forget to repeat after me. E, E, E. Elefante, elefante, elefante. Very good. Remember, this is how you pronounce the letter of the alphabet, and over here on the left on the word it is the phonetic sound. Okay, so it's not the same. This is phonetic and this is how you pronounce it. Very good. Let's continue. F, F, F. Flor, flor, flor. G, G, G. Gato, gato, gato. Very good. H, H, H. Now this is the H in Spanish doesn't have a sound, okay? Don't forget that. Hipopótamo, hipopótamo, hipopótamo. I, I, I. Iguana, iguana, iguana. J, J, J. Jaguar, jaguar, jaguar. K, K, K. Karate, 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 karate. Yes, the right pronunciation here, I'm sorry, it's karate, karate, karate. Elle, elle, elle. León, león, león. M, M, M. Don't forget to pronounce after me. This is the only way you're going to learn them. Máscara, máscara, máscara. N, N, N. Naranja, naranja, naranja. Ñ, Ñ, Ñ. Piñata, 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 piñata. Muy bien, muy bien. O, O, O. Ojo, ojo, ojo. P, P, P. Perritos, perritos, perritos. Q, Q, Q. Queso, 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 queso. R, R, R. Pera, pera, pera. S, S, S. Salmón, salmón, salmón. T, T, T. Tortuga, tortuga, tortuga. U, U, U. Uva, 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 uva. Now this one has two ways of saying it. Ve, ve, ve. Uve, uve, uve. You can use whichever. Any country, any Spanish-speaking country will know what you're talking about. Violin, violin, violin. Don't forget to repeat. Now this one also has two ways of saying it. Doble V, doble V, doble V. Another way. V doble, V doble, V doble. Darwin, 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 Darwin. In Spanish, there isn't that many words with W as much as there is in English. Equis, equis, equis. Xilófono, 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 xilófono. Y, Y, Y. And the reason why is griega right there, because this is a Greek letter of alphabet. Llora, llora, llora. Zeta, zeta, zeta. Now, Spanish speakers from Spain, the native land, The Z, they pronounce it different than Latin American. They spell it differently, and the phonetic sound is also different than Latin America. Zebra, zebra, zebra. This one sounds pretty much the same as the S. In Latin American, it's very hard to tell the difference between the S and the Z, the S and zeta. However, Spanish speakers from Spain, they do have a big difference with a Z. They pronounce it like zeta, 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 zebra, zebra. Very good. Now the next three letters of the alphabet are included in the alphabet but have been taken out for some time. However, there are a lot of words that still use these words, and I feel that I need for me to teach you this as well. Che, che, che. Chita, chita, chita. Elle, dispensa, es elle, 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 elle. Some countries also say double L because we have double L. Double L, double L, or elle. Llaves, llaves, llaves. R, R, R. It is also fine to say double R, double R, or double R, double R, R, R. Burro, 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 burro. Very good. So those were the alphabet letters. Now let's do some questions to ask how words are spelled and give an email email addresses. So this is how you say it. How do you spell? ¿Cómo se escribe? ¿Cómo se escribe? ¿Cómo se escribe? And you answer. It's spelled. Se escribe. Se escribe. Se escribe. How do you spell your name? ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? And then you answer. My name is spelled. Mi nombre se escribe. Mi nombre se escribe. Mi nombre se escribe. Mi nombre se escribe. And then you give the letters of the alphabet. What's your email address? ¿Cuál es tu correo electrónico? ¿Cuál es tu correo electrónico? ¿Cuál es tu correo electrónico? This is one way to answer. It is S, and then you give your electronic mail. S, and give it to them. S. Or you can also answer back. Mi correo electrónico es. Or the short way, S. Very good. You did great in this lesson today. this is the end of this class of the alphabet and also how to ask on how to spell words. Don't forget to subscribe to continue getting your free classes. I know I just started, but however, I do want to increase this class to a large class. Very well, tell your friends. Thank you very much and see you next time.